Guiding instructions for recipe writing.
1. First of all, make the list of ingredients along with its measurement, temperature and timings. 2. After that, write a set of instructions in a very specific and clear way. 3. Use simple imperative sentences. 4. Use the time linkers like first of all, then, after that, next, ultimately, finally, etc. 5. Use simple and understandable language, and write the instructions clearly.
Writing a recipe often involves a range of specific verbs that convey actions needed to prepare the dish. Here are some commonly used verbs in recipe writing. Mix, combine ingredients together. Stir, move a spoon or other utensil around in a substance to combine or prevent it from sticking. Chop, cut into smaller pieces. Slice, cut into thin, flat pieces. Dice, cut into small cubes. Boil, heat liquid until it bubbles and turns to vapor. Simmer, cook just below the boiling point, where small bubbles form slowly. Fry, cook in hot fat or oil. Bake, cook in an oven using dry heat. Grill, cook on a grill over an open flame or heated element. Roast, cook in an oven or over an open fire. Marinate, soak food in a flavorful liquid before cooking. Season, add herbs, spices, or other flavorings. Blend, mix ingredients until smooth. Sauté, cook quickly in a small amount of oil or fat. Whisk, beat or stir with a light, rapid movement. Knead, work dough with the hands to develop gluten. Pour, transfer liquid from one container to another. Measure, determine the amount of an ingredient. Preheat, heat an oven to a specific temperature before cooking.
Specimen 1.
Preparing pancake.
1 cup flour. 1 tablespoon sugar. 2 teaspoons baking powder. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1 egg, beaten. 1 cup milk. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil.
Instruction.
1. First, mix the flour, sugar, salt and baking powder in a bowl. If you have a whisk, use it and make sure the batter is well mixed. 2. Then, in another bowl, beat the egg, then add the milk and oil. Mix until it is thoroughly combined. 3. After that, add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and whisk them together for about a minute. The mixture should be a bit lumpy. 4. Then, heat a blob of butter in a large frying pan. 5. After that, pour about 1/3 of a cup of batter into the pan. If you want larger pancakes, pour more. For smaller pancakes, pour less batter. 6. Then, it will take about 2 minutes to cook the first side. You will know it is cooked when bubbles that will form on the top. 7. Finally, flip it over and let it cook for a minute more. When the pancakes are golden brown, put them on a plate and enjoy them.
Specimen 2. Preparing milk tea. 1 spoon black tea leaves or tea bags. 4 cups water. 1/2 cup milk. 1/4 spoon sugar. Instruction.
1. Fill up the kettle with water. 2. Boil the water in the kettle. 3. Place a tea bag in your favorite mug. 4. Pour boiling water into your favorite mug. 5. Brew the tea for a few moments. 6. Remove and dispose of the tea bag. 7. Add milk. 8. Add sugar. 9. Stir the tea. 10. Enjoy the hot beverage.
Specimen 3. Preparing simple omelette.
2 large eggs. 1 tablespoon butter. Salt and pepper to taste. Optional fillings, chopped vegetables, cheese, herbs, etc.
Instruction. 1. Whisk the eggs together in a bowl until well combined. 2. Melt the butter in a non-stick pan over medium heat. 3. Pour the eggs into the pan and tilt the pan to evenly distribute the eggs. 4. Once the edges of the omelette start to set, use a spatula to gently lift the edges and allow the uncooked egg to flow underneath. 5. Continue cooking until the omelette is set to your liking. 6. Season with salt and pepper to taste. 7. Add your desired fillings to the omelette and fold it in half. 8. Slide the omelette onto a plate and serve hot.
Task for further practice.
Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.